Hi everyone, my name is Kevin. Today I want to show you how you can see yourself while using the OBS Screen Recorder. Now, if you're just getting started or you don't know what OBS is, but you're interested in learning how to use it, I also have a video on how to get started with OBS. I recommend starting there. However, if you want to include your webcam and you also want to be able to see yourself while recording and using OBS, this video will show you how to do that. It's actually easier than you think, and I'm going to show you two different ways or two different techniques of how you can achieve that. All right, well, enough talk. Why don't we jump on the PC with OBS and I'll show you step by step how you can do that. All right, well, here I am on my desktop and I have OBS open. Here it is. And right now I just have it set up to record my desktop. What I want to do is I'm going to run through really fast how you can include your webcam within OBS. So what I can do here is I'm going to click on the add icon under sources and I want to add a source for my webcam. So my webcam is listed as the video capture device. A webcam is a video capture device. So I'm going to go ahead, let's click on that option, and I could rename it if I want, but I'll just leave that as it is, and I'm going to click on OK. Now I have, hey, there I am on the video. I have a Microsoft Lifetime HD 5000 set up. So I'm going to go ahead, all the settings look good, and I'm going to click on OK. Now here's my webcam image within OBS. I could drag it wherever I want. Now the problem is if I click on start recording, what's going to happen is now if I minimize OBS and it's recording, I can no longer see myself on the screen. So I don't know what my face looks like. I don't know if I'm within the frame anymore. So let me bring OBS back up, and now I'm going to stop recording because this obviously doesn't work well. I know my video will be there. If I go up here and I click on show recordings, I'm going to click on my recording. What's going to happen is now if I minimize OBS and it's recording, so I see that my video is included as part of the recording. The only trouble is as I was recording it, I couldn't see it. So how can I see it while recording? I mentioned I would show you two different ways to see yourself. So let's start with the first way. This way isn't quite optimal, but it does work. So what I can do is when I click on this video capture device, I'm going to right click on it, and there's an option called windowed projector. Now before we click on that, what we're going to do is we're going to go to file, and then we're going to go into settings. And within general settings, what we want to do is we want to go under projectors. And what we're going to click on is make projectors always on top. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that. Now we're going to go back, and I showed you here, you right click here, and we're going to go to windowed projector, and I'm going to click on that, and what it does is it pops out my video feed right here. And what I did is by going into settings and saying always show on top, let's say I open up, let's say I'm going to open just Notepad here. If I pulled another app over, it'll stay beneath the window. And what I can do now is I could kick off, so now I'm going to just delete the, or I'm going to hide the webcam here. And what I can do now is I could effectively use this as my webcam image. So now let's go ahead and I'll click on start recording again. And I'm going to minimize OBS. And hey, now I can see myself. The only downside is I have this really ugly bar on top of the window, and I don't want that. So let me stop the recording and I'll show you what this looks like. So let's go back to show recordings. Recording again, and I'm going to minimize OBS, and hey, now I can see myself. The only downside is I have this. So there I am. So we're moving in the right direction, but unfortunately I still have that title bar on top. So I'm going to close that. That's one approach you could use if you don't want to install any other apps on your computer. However, if you want the ideal solution, you will need to install another app on your computer. So what I'm going to do is let's open up our web browser, and what we're going to do is we're going to navigate to this URL. I've also included it in the description so you can easily get there. This is download.cnet.com, and there's an app called Webcam Viewer. And with Webcam Viewer, what it does is it does exactly what the name is. It'll allow you to view your webcam. I've already gone ahead and downloaded it. It's a very small download file size, and here it is on my desktop installed. And so I'm going to go ahead, let's launch this app. And what this does is it pulls up basically a simple webcam viewer. For it to work though, what I need to do is I need to select my camera. I'm going to select my live cam, and I also need to just remove the camera from OBS since OBS is already using the camera. So I'm going to go ahead and delete it from OBS, and let's start here. Okay, so now my webcam is on, and there's a lot of Chrome within this webcam viewer, but I am going to be able to get rid of it, and I'm going to show you how you can do that. So the first thing that we want to do is let's click on this settings gear right here, and what we want to do is we want to make sure we keep this on top. So if I open up a game or any other application, this webcam view will sit on top of that. So I'm going to go ahead and hide the settings now. And then there's another option here, right here, and this will make it go full screen. So I'm going to click on full screen. And so now I have my webcam image as a full screen image, and I don't have any ugly Chrome on the top or bottom. And here I could adjust it so it matches the dimensions of the video. And so now there's no border around it. I do still have this icon that allows me to pop out and go back to the app, but it's much less intrusive than the other technique where you have the bar on top. So now what I could do is I could move that down to the corner, and I'm going to open up OBS again. Let me open up OBS. And there you see my webcam. I could position it where I want it. And what I could do now is I could start the recording, and if I minimize OBS, I can still see myself right there. So what I'm gonna do now, let me open up OBS again. We're gonna stop the recording. If I go back to show recordings, I'm gonna just click into this one, start the recording, and if I minimize OBS, I can still see myself. Okay, so that by downloading this app, the webcam viewer, what I'm able to do is not only can I see myself, not only do I record myself on the screen, but I also can see myself while I'm recording. All right, well, this was just a really quick video that shows you how you can see yourself while you're recording your screen and also yourself. So this way, like I said, if you're doing a reaction video or you want to make sure you're in the frame, this way you can see yourself at all times while you're recording. Another perhaps more expensive way to solve for this too, and one of the techniques that they recommend on the OBS forum, is you could invest in a second monitor, and then that way your second monitor allows you to always see your video while you're recording your other monitor. So that's another technique, but this approach here that I showed you, this is an easy way you could do it with one monitor. Doesn't require you to go out and buy any other tools. All of these apps are free to use. The webcam viewer works very well. If this video helped you, please give this a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this in the future, hit that subscribe button. That way you'll get a notification anytime new content like this comes out. And if there are any other topics or videos that you want to see me create in the future, leave a comment down below. I read them all and I'll add it to my list of videos to create. All right, well, thanks a lot for watching, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.